guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to wax your eyebrows at home. So the first step you're going to do is brush your eyebrows in the way that they grow. I've already done that. And then you're going to start to apply the wax. Make sure your skin is clean and whatnot. So I'm applying the wax upward and I'm going to pull the strip downward in the opposite direction. So here I am brushing the brow again. Brush the brow in the direction that the hair grows, and then apply the wax in the direction that the hair grows, and then you're going to pull your wax strip in the opposite direction. So I'm using the GiGi Wax Kit, and I am applying the wax in the direction that the hair grows once again, and I'm also applying a little pressure to it. I'm going in how I want it, because the wax will only take off where you apply it. So I'm following my natural arch, so I'm feeling for that bone as well, and I'm just going down my brow bone, if that makes sense. So I think I was trying to kill a gnat. There was a gnat that was bothering me, guys. So once I have the wax on there, I'm going to apply the strip. And like I said, the wax will only come off on what you apply it on. So I'm cutting the paper because I'm being cheap, and I was like, I can save this paper and use it for the next application. So like I said, pull in the opposite direction that you applied the wax to. Also make sure you have tension when pulling, and then apply pressure after. So next I'm taking that same one and I'm just folding it and getting the loose wax or whatever. Now we're going to do the under the eyebrow, and you're going to apply the wax in the direction that the hair grows while also holding the skin taut. And please be mindful that this hurts a lot. Well, for me, the under the brow is the worst part. I could do the rest of my brow just fine, but this part is always a little bit more extra sensitive. I'm not sure if it's because I have looser skin under there or whatnot, but it just always hurts to me. So bear with me with this one. We're going to apply our strip, press in on the wax, and remember to apply pressure. We're trying to remove hairs. If we're not applying pressure, the hairs are going to stay. You're not going to get everything. So hold that skin and pull and apply pressure and try not to cry. And then get your loose wax that didn't pick up. That's because we didn't apply enough pressure, guys. Are we following? The same thing, but to the other eyebrow, of course, under the brow. Kind of got a little messy with this. With the GiGi Wax Kit, the wax can get kind of runny, so just be very mindful and very careful of that. And just work really fast, but also remember to apply pressure, go in the correct directions, and pull in the correct direction as well, because it won't work. So I apply in the direction that my hair grows, press down, hold my skin taut, and yank and cry inside. Oh, deep breaths. Okay, come on, girl. Pull it. Okay, there we go. Apply pressure. Look at that pull. Wait. There we go. Yes. Clean it up with the, clean it loose up. And then I think I dyed them at the end. I'm not sure. But if you do plan to dye your eyebrows or tint them, it's best to do it first and then wax. Just because your cuticle is open and You don't want it to burn. And so, also when waxing, it's best to only wax the same area once. I am waxing the same area twice because I can't remember what happened. It looks, I guess my arch wasn't sharp enough, or I just left some hair from the first pull. But I do not recommend waxing twice on the face. Apparently on the other areas you can. Am I not even recording? Hello? Stop. So on this brow at the top, in the GiGi Wax Kit, it gives you some waxing sticks. I was using regular popsicle sticks, but I'm guessing I'm using a different one, and it has an angle. And I've noticed that the angled popsicle sticks were very helpful as well, so you could try those. I got the wax kit from Sally's, I believe. And this is me just cleaning up the wax on my face. I don't really prefer the waxing strips that come with the GiGi kit, just because I feel like they're so messy and they shed a lot. Now I'm using some wax off just to clean up my brow again. And then they also have some cooling gel to help you. But I just had to do a quick little cleanup on my brows. If you have any questions or comments or concerns with this video, just comment down below. Practice makes perfect. So if you are wanting to wax your eyebrows at home and save money, go for it. It's very easy once you get the hang of it. Now I'm just trimming my eyebrow hairs with some beard scissors that I stole from my husband that he has yet to know that's missing. Ha ha ha. But follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Beauty by Dasha J. TikTok, if it's still up by the time I post this video, at Dasha J XO. I'm also on Pinterest and Snapchat at Dasha J XO. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.